How to screen share Netflix on Discord. You can load up the desktop app or the web browser version to screen share Netflix. However, viewers can join on any device they own, provided they have the Discord app installed. So first of all, launch the desktop Discord app or access Discord in the web browser and log into your Discord account. Now enter a voice channel on a server. Click on allow. And now open a new tab and visit the Netflix homepage to sign into your Netflix account. Now go to your Discord again and here click on share your screen. And all you have to do is just select the Netflix tab, and if you want to share your Netflix audio also, then you have to check this box and click on share. And this is how we can share Netflix on Discord. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.